good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome sa Good Vibes. And before anything else, I always wanna hear the shit lang ha. Before anything else, those who can understand Tagalog, please clap your hands. Those who cannot understand Tagalog, alimunyo kayo. Those who cannot understand Tagalog, please clap your hands. Oh, there's a lot. Shit. So what? This is a Filipino community. What the fuck? Just kidding. But anyway, I cannot speak English very fluently, Shaq, and I cannot promise you that I can speak English all throughout the show because it's out of stock. So if you see them laughing, just laugh along. I will try my best. Kasi pang-5 lang ako dito eh. Punyeta eh. Kung saan lang ba? Dapat naningil ako ng 2-5 kung English pa lang. Joke lang. Anyway, oh shit. Okay na ng... This time, this portion is going to be brought to you by myself. No, so, because I read my horoscope, you know? My horoscope said there that today I will meet the man of my dreams, Chef. Sa Tagalog, nakakita ko nito yung lalaking makakaluwag-luwag na ako. Maiyaw na ako sa kahirapan, nalimunyo. Just for game. There's just going to be a game like something like that, you know, just for remembrance sake. Can I call in? Do we have any bachelors around? Single men? Pilipino man yan o ayaw ko sa inyo? O any foreign objects will do. But I don't care. I need 3 single guys, certified single guys, to come up on stage and just, you know, like nothing. We'll have sex. Come on. Gang rape. Charot. Do we have any 3? Matapak, makapalang mukha, ganun. Tatlo lang, can I have, shit, what's that? A mic stand in front, yeah. Can I have? Si ate, ano ba to? Yung mga labada man, nagawa mo na. Nagsarado pa yung gate. Yung aso, ha? Punyeta ka. Joke lang din. Ayan. Ano to? Maghihigib ba ako dito? Ano gusto mo mangyari? Ang bago ng mic, ha? It's very new mic. It's the first edition. Only Karen Carpenters and I use this one. Where? Tatlong lalaki. Come on, 3 guys. I need really 3. Game, you know? How do you say that? I forgot the English. I have to Google it. Because, yeah. 3 single guys, come on! Yung mga nasa likod, upstairs. You can also, you can join. Hain na kayo, limunyo kayo. May labada pa kami. 3 guys, come on, don't be shy. Do you shy? Don't shy. Guys, I need 3. Ito na, parang gahan mo ng away mo. Hey, 1. I have a prize. I'm going to give you a prize. It's a personal gift from me. It's a shirt. It's my shirt. Hindi ko ito binibenta, ha? Libre to. Okay, t-shirt from me. Personalized t-shirts from me. Okay. Shit, what? Do you need relief goods? It's not here. It's in the other corner. What? It's not, there's a policeman. Pasuko ako doon. Okay. Are you Filipino? Are you what? Filipino? Bangladesh? Huh? Filipino and? Huh? Sri Lankan? Are you a Sri Lankan half iguana? Number 2, number 3, and number 4, okay? Kung tawa kayo, wala pa ka. Of course, we will treat it like a beauty pageant, okay? Beauty pageant, you know? First, there will be a fast music, and then you will rap, you know? You will like that. You do the modeling shit, like that. I will give you sample. And then, after the music stop, in front of the mic, and you say your name. If you want, you can say, how old are you? And then end it with a quote. You know, quote? Like, you believe in a saying or something, blah, blah, blah. I will give you an example, okay? Magkatanga-tanga. Music! You go here, you do your stuff. Pakit-pakit. Then drive, then do your stuff again. Then in the middle. Hi, my name is Kay Rosas from Manila, Philippines. I'm 24 years old, ulul. And I believe in the saying that honesty is such a lonely word. Boom! Okay? Are we clear on that? Name, or maybe you can say where where do you work, whatever. Then end it, it's very important. End it with a quote or a saying, okay? Are you ready? And that's number 1. Rampa! Music! Uy! Okay na yun. Huwag pabalik tanga! Uy! Tanga! Ang tangina. Bumol! Sa mikropono! Pakilala ka! Hindi ko kausap eh.
Hello,
hi.
I'm Ronald.
Ano, wala ka sa'yo mag-iisip? Ano to? Pangalan, edad, kung saan nagtatrabaho, ano?
I'm Seaman and
Yo,
you're my companion, sir.
yung companions mo, mga seamen, no? Marami sila tanga, seamen.
Okay na yan.
Okay, saying. May naniniwala ko ako, pag Tagalog yun. Siguro.
Naniniwala po ako.
Ay, mo sa iyo. Coach! Lapis tak. Lapis blind, gano'n. Bahala ka sa buhay mo, malaki ka na nalimun yung eh. Wala kang alam. Ang katanda mong yan, wala kang alam, Pisa.
Speechless ako sa iyo.
Wow. Naniniwala ko ako, speeches ako sa iyo. Next. Alam mo to, yung bangs na pinag-focus no? Pipito lang eh. That's number 2. Rampa! Why is that? What's that? Are your legs not even? You're doing like that? Because I only know to know what's happening down there if you do that. It's either your eggs are not even, o kinakain yung panty mo, gano'n. Okay. Now, it's okay. Ha? Ha? Yung English talk, yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hey. Go. Go ahead. Thanks.
My man known Nujurul.
Do you believe? Ano ka sa tama nito? Do you drugs? Do you have any saying? Quotes? No? No? Okay, thank you so much. Number 3, Rampa! Music! Ako ng away. Oh. Ikaw na.
Hi, Richard Samat, working at Sakay Sushi, 42 years old, Sabi ng nanay ko, sinabi niya lang, thank you.
Mga henyo yung mga to. Pinag-isipan talaga. You're still here. Contest number 4. Rapa! Go!
Hi. Hello.
May lakad.
My name is Akil from Sri Lanka, work at Glen Health Hospital, age 25. That's all. I really enjoy this program.
You work on the hospital? Are you a patient? I'm glad you're okay now. But I'm still worried about your health. Okay. We all know sa Pilipinas, uso-uso sa internet, right? On social media, it's very, very famous right now, all the pick-up lines. Pick-up lines? Pick-up lines? Hey, like that. And I will say, why? And they say, you say your pick-up line. Do you know any pick-up lines? Wala ka naman alam? Hindi na ka pa. Wala ka alam? Pick-up lines. Diba ganyan? Excuse me, naglalakad ako kunyari, ganyan. Kasalapin naman ako, excuse me. Ganon. Bakit? Ganon. Meron ka na alam. Number 1, game. Kaya naglalakad-lakad ako. Nasa may Nandos. Yan, hindi pa kumakain doon. Kakain ako mamaya sa Nandos. Ang tagal. Ang tagal mo naman! Ang mikropono! Demonyo ka talaga. Wala ka alam? Wala ka naman ang pinapay! Do you know any pick-up lines? Hindi nga lang po pick-up eh. Mas! O go, ikaw na tututol. Mag-isip ka tol ha. Game, kanya naglalakad ako.
Hi.
Hello, yes. Oh.
Tayo ka ba?
Ano? Parang ang luma niya ng tol. Wala ka malang mas luma pa dyan. O bakit?
Kasi hindi kita kaya paglaruan sa kamay ko.
Luma. Okay, game. Number 4. It's your turn. Then you can, you can say what you want. Nanawagan po ako sa... English, of course. Do you know any English? It's okay. Yeah. Hey, what? I hope within this week you can say something.
I love you.
Rekta na. I like you, You're straightforward. There's no more like that. And my God, when I look at you, I always feel, my God, I know that. People like that, I think they have big packages. Is that true? Can you see it? Can you put it here? Yeah, actually, a lot of foreigners, when I say foreigner, I mean, because I'm a Filipino, right? Okay? A lot of foreign objects, they have, yeah, they have big packages. But hello, are there kids around? Okay, they're sleeping. It's nice. But, ayaw ko siya, dinadala nyo rito eh. Ayaw ko explain, basta kayo bayad na. Big packages, but I just heard that. I don't know this for a fact. I have no experience at all. I heard that, big, but very soft. Especially Caucasian. I'm talking about you, sir. Yes, you. Yeah, you too. But very soft, unlike Filipinos, very small but very hard. Filipinos, you coconut, you do that, and then you cut. That's how hard. Even, very small, It's okay. It's like pacifier. You can sleep at night. Anyway, ano na? I love you. Okay. We will promote the tourism of Singapore. As much as I would like to promote the tourism of the Philippines, of course, I'm in Singapore, let's promote the tourism of Singapore. I have only one question. Sa tanong natin apat. One question to the four of you. If you're going to take me on our first date, where will you take me here in Singapore and why? Yeah, you have to be romantic, you have to be original, creative. Number one, kanina ka pa, wala ka na pick-up line eh. Baka wala ka pa rin alam na rin. Huwag lang sa hotel, huwag lang sa cemetery, walang ganon.
Okay, may naisip akong pick-up line para sa'yo.
Abang, delayed ka rin ano? Buffering ka ba ba? Okay, ano?
Unang ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi amoy laway ka eh.
May na sana, tarantado ka. Ayun na, yun nga, tanong ko. If you're gonna take on our first date, saan mo ka dalhin? At bakit? Sa Singapore.
Siguro dadaling kita sa Jerome Birds Park.
Joburg's Park, anong meron doon? Why?
Kasi tuwing makikita kita parang lagi tayong lumilipad eh.
Hindi ka nakadrugs ka. Thank you so much.
Maganda rong kayo.
Ah, talaga? Sabay sa mga tourist attraction dito. Ah, basta ako universal lang kasi gusto. Number 2! Oh, are you ready? Come, don't be shy. Come, hagad ko. May lakad talaga. Okay.
I think 81 better.
Come again, sorry.
How many people like?
Ha?
How many people like 81?
Motel? No motel! You don't have anything anymore coming out of you. There's no more. Look at you. You're too young. I don't think there's going to sun anymore. Only here. Oh, next, yeah, you, our friend from Bangladesh, our Bangladesh friend. Where do you want to take me here in Singapore? Why? On our first date. Don't scare me. I'm afraid. Where are you going to take me on our first date in Singapore? What place? What place? You're going to take me in Singapore. Where in Singapore? Anak na. Do you need a translator? Translator. Date. You're going to date me. Translator daw. Sino dito mag-ano? Ha? Yan, sige. Gusto mo, prayer meeting mo na kayo. Yan. Where?
Ready na?
Casino, okay. You like casino, play. You like casino, bet on your life. Okay. Tapos na ba? Lahat? Tapos na. Ikaw na lang. Oh. Ito kasi talagang malibog to. Ako tiwala siya. Ikaw. Ano nga? Saan mo ko dadalhin?
Clarky.
Wow. So, tumbling lang yun sa, ko sa may naka-check-in, dun sa may guardhouse. Clarky, of course, and you may ride, saka naka-ride. Nakapunta na kami dyan, tumatalsik bigla, kasi may ko sa mga thrill keme. Anong gagawin natin doon? Party, wow. You have a, wow. I didn't know that this is the United States and not the Singapore. Party, drinks. You have this little swat slang, shit. Party, drinks, and then after that, party, drinks again. And drink. Oh shit. Until we pass out. And then we, but, you know? Yep. Kasi sa mga bata, wala, hindi akong tularan, malaki kayo pariwara. Anyway, it's your... Tama na. You are going to be the judge. It's up the... Oh, where are you going? I'm sorry. Where, please, let me explain. Please, where are you going? No! 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 Why did I do? Why? Charot. Ingat sa'yo, kinakabahan ako. Okay, so it's going to be a clapping system. If you like the person, the guy, you will clap. If you don't like him, don't clap, okay? Tatlo lang ang t-shirt ko eh, so tatlo lang ang manalo. Okay, number 1! Ay, tatlo lang. Number 2! Number 3! Kinakabahan ako. Number 4! Ayan. Parang ginagago niyo ako ah. Hindi. Dalawa doon, sigurado ng pasok, di ba? Dalawa doon. Isa na lang. Okay. Yung dalawa, pasok na. Yung dalawa na lang, yung one number 2. Palakpakan uli natin. Teka lang ha. Panalo na kayo eh. Oh, ito na sa'yo. Kasi tatlo lang kasi dapat. Okay. Ulitin natin. Number 1! Mami, nakiusap ka ba? Number 2! Teka lang. Walang palang sigawan. No shouting. Just clap. Once again. Number 1. Walang pa. Number 2. Okay, number 1. Now, you can go. Thank you so much. No? Thank you for being such a good sport. Palakpakan sa mga kaibigan. Give it up for these guys for being such a good sport. Thank you so much. Great. Love you. Yun yung saying niya, love you. Now, before anything else, mag-explain lang ako dahil actually, ilang araw na po ako, I'm suffering from UTI. Upper throat infection. No, really, wala akong boses. Steroids lang to. Temporary relief lang because of this concert. But anyway, I hope you can bear with me, guys. If it's okay. Are you guys okay? Guys at the back, are you guys okay? Dahil, you know, we have a very beautiful stage. Of course, very beautiful audience. Lights and sounds. Parang ginawa ni Kim kanina. Kailangan gusto ko ng ganyan. That kind of reception. Okay na ba yun? Let's try it. I'm going to do a medley of songs by Whitney. You know Whitney? Whitney Spears. Charot. No, namatay na siya. Sumalangit daw ang kanyang hamog. It is a very high and